That's it. That's our mango salsa recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to Maxinescorner. So, you know, I am running out to work and I'm really hungry and I want to make something really fast and really simple. So I'm doing everything all together right now. And you see these ingredients right in front of you. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be making in a few seconds. But before I get started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss another video. If you love weight loss tips, if you love healthy meals, then this is the channel for you. Great recipes, great weight loss tips. And let's get started. So today I'm making a delicious mango salsa and I'm going to take that with me, and that's going to be my lunch actually. So I'm going to show you what you're going to need to make this mango salsa. It's so simple, so easy. You're going to need 2 beefsteak tomatoes. You're going to need the mango. And guys, how to pick out your mango to make sure that they're ripe is if you look right around here, you want to make sure that it's not too wrinkled, and then if you feel it and squeeze it a little bit, it has to be a little soft, but not overly soft. And make sure around this area is definitely not too wrinkled, okay? So that is how you pick out your mangoes. Next thing is you're going to need avocado, and then you're going to need lemon. All right, so that's how simple and easy it is. So let's get this cracking. I got to go to work, so let's go. Look how pretty that looks so far. If you love mango salsa salad, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Once again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Look at these delicious, healthy recipes. That's going to help you on your weight loss journey. And this is a delicious weight loss recipe. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Looks so good. Once again, I only use 1/4 of a red onions. I don't like a lot of onions. And this is pretty much all you need. And what I'm going to do just to give it a little bit of kick is I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. Watch this. Just a pinch. That's it. That's all we need. You can add sweet peppers to this. But the fact with the sweet mango and the little bit of red pepper flakes, look how pretty that looks. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because you know you want to. You know you do. Because look at this salad. Look at that. We're not done yet. We're almost finished. Next thing that we're going to need is our avocado, right? We don't want to forget that. I'll show you how to cut an avocado, and I think I did a video like that. Just take it all the way around like that. As you move your hands, please do not cut your hands with this. Take your avocado. Oh, look at this. It's okay. It's not a perfect avocado, but we're still going to use it. Savor some parts, and the rest has to go. I'll be adding avocado to this, but you really don't have to go crazy. Alright, so this is all I have for the avocado. That will have to do. And this is what it looks like. I would have added like 1 really good avocado in here because I love avocados, but that's okay. It's still a delicious salad. Alright, so you still see our avocado. I'm going to add some cilantro. I found no cilantro, but it's okay. I found some dry parsley, which is perfectly fine. So I'm just going to add some parsley to this. Just like that. And I found, once again, dry parsley. And I have my lemon juice. So I'm just going to cut my lemon. Use my hands to catch these seeds. just like that, because I'm in a rush. Okay guys, that's why. So I have to make this, plate this out and go to work. That's it. That's our mango salsa recipe. Doesn't it look so good? Let's go and give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. All right, so I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's go. I would add a little bit more avocado. Once again, as you may see, my avocado didn't do me right. I'm just gonna have a little bit of this, and I'm gonna take some for lunch with me. And this is what happens when I'm in a rush, I'm in a hurry. I want something healthy, and I want something that tastes good as well. That's all I have for Maxinescorner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you make this mango salsa, tag me at Maxinescorner on Instagram. Don't forget to check out our weight loss support group. And what? Stay healthy. 2-day cleanse coming up soon. I'm looking forward to that. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. All right, I'm done. That's it, guys. It's all done. What are you waiting for? Go. I'll see you on Friday. Bye. Check out these other videos. Stay healthy, though.